就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and this month we're featuring the music of Chen Weiru. Here's one called Zhuan He Zudong. Zudong is actually a town in Hsinchu. It's his hometown, and this brings back a lot of memories of him and his grandma, and how grandma used to sing songs about melon seeds with him. And so he decided to create the song for grandma and for himself about all those memories.
為動鬧熱，大家都來看這鋪，強下衝神歌，這鋪動會衝神歌，記老嗌講，兩條歌彈歌舞，一盤瓜子。三馬三十松，樹影到來樹中藏，樹中藏，愛看見你嘅笑容，你嘅溫柔，愛增進希望，你平安快樂，你有糖多麼，愛的衝高，愛愛是衝一看你。真一觸動，一條樹徑，三馬三叉三，雙手不用下秒彈，秒彈，愛看見你嘅笑容，你嘅溫柔，愛增進希望，你平安。衝歌愛愛是衝一看你真一觸動
啊，陈伟如这个转去竹东就是要转去竹东，这是他的家乡，而这首歌呢是唱出他对家乡的一些思念，比如说跟外婆一起唱客家山歌的一些回忆。除了把这首歌要送给外婆当礼物之外，也提醒异乡游子们呢，记得要多回家与家人联络感情哦。There you go, another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. We'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.